In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix conflicting calendars in GoHighLevel. So basically, if one calendar gets booked, that same time instantly blocks out on your other calendars. Think of it like traffic lights. When one goes red, the others know to stop too, so nothing crashes. But most people set up multiple calendars and become frustrated and lose clients. With the right setup, your calendars will actually talk to each other and you'll never be double booked again. So let's get right into it. Okay, so go into your sub account and then go to settings and then go to calendars. Okay, then go to connections over here. So then go to add new. Then go to your, now pick a calendar. I'll pick Google Calendar because I got quite a few. Obviously, if you're building a sub account for a client, you want them to log in with their Outlook or Google Calendar account. Because let's say they have 4 services. And if they booked up from 1 to 2 p.m. on their first service, then you want 1 to 2 p.m. to be blocked out on every single other calendar. So to do that, obviously you need to jump on a Zoom call with them. They sign in, follow the process that I'm going to show in this video and go from there. Now, if you want help with managing clients, outreaching, plus all these benefits here, if you use the first link description, get the 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel. You'll get one-on-one support with me, my snapshots, my sales scripts on how to manage, and also how to manage clients, how to outreach, the newest strategies, how to outreach and stuff. If you've got any questions about it, let me know. If you've already got an account, blah, 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 put in the comments. So what you want to do is you want to go to linked calendar and add the linked calendar here. So you want to use the email we just did. Okay, press save. Now the conflict calendar, we want it to be the same one. Now, the reason is that what's going to happen with this linked one is when someone books an appointment in GoHighLevel, it's going to show up on our Google Calendar. You don't really need to use a Google Calendar today. It just needs to be there. So let's say we got a calendar here. Now 3 to 4 p.m. is booked on a GoHighLevel calendar. Now on your Google Calendar, it will show 3 to 4 p.m. as slots taken by the person that's booked. Conflict calendar now, GoHighLevel will read the Google Calendar and block out that time. So I'm gonna show you it live now. So let's see how it looks like in real time. So I'm gonna try book on a calendar on GoHighLevel, and then the other calendars, that time should be booked out. You can't book on it. So let's preview it live. So obviously this is on my staff, this is on me. Okay, so this is my calendar. You can do for other staff, blah blah blah. Filter out. If you've got more than one like hairdresser or more than one barber, you can just select the staff and do it individually. Okay, so our linked and conflict calendars are on the same, are linked to the same calendar. So let's go to calendars. So I'm gonna book a time in the haircut calendar. Now that time should not be available on this one. I know they're not linked, but I'm showing you for example. Okay, so let's book onto this one. So let's go to share, let's go to permanent link, let's go here. Let's book a time, the half an hour slot. So let's say Monday, like 1:30 p.m. we want this to be booked out. So let's fill this in. So 1:30 to 2, remember that. Okay, so now let's go on the other calendar. Now on Monday, 1:30 to 2 should not be a slot we can pick. Let's go to Monday. Let's find 1:30. There you go. So as you can see, normally it's in 30-minute slots. So 3 to 3:30, 4 to 4:30. But the 1 to 1:30 is not there no more. They can't book the 1:30 slot because I've got conflicting calendars and they can't book. Okay, super powerful. All these little nuggets are really useful because when businesses are actually run, you'll realize very quickly that they can't be double booked because then you look kind of stupid. So it's super important, this one. Be sure, by the way, I don't have a free course. I don't have a paid course to rob your email and spam me, blah, blah, blah. What I have done is that it's accessible for everyone, no matter if you give me your details or not. My YouTube playlists. So I've got 1 to 12. First one's like getting started, second one website, third one CRM, then automations, we've got the AI one, we've got everything here where you want to start GoHighLevel. All my knowledge is here. So be sure to start, sign up with 30-day free trial, and then jump on a call with me one-on-one, and then we'll go from there. So I look forward to speaking to you guys. I actually enjoy speaking to new people, just finding out how they are and stuff. So yeah, please like the video and comment playlist if you got right to the end, because I know you're an OG watcher. So yeah, appreciate you. Please like the video.